The iPhone 16 is finally here. Apple has just dropped their latest lineup at the September event, and we've got an early look at all four models: the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the incredible new camera features across the board. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All four devices look set to rank among the best iPhones ever, with new buttons, redesigned cameras, and cutting-edge Apple Intelligence features that could make them the best AI phones of 2024. So let's kick things off with the base model, the iPhone 16. The most noticeable change? The vertically stacked camera lenses. Now, when you hold the phone in landscape mode and record video, the two lenses work together to capture spatial footage, perfect for Apple Vision Pro users. A game changer for video content creators. The iPhone 16 features a 48-megapixel primary lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which are now arranged vertically. This new design will allow you to capture immersive 3D-like spatial video, which you can then experience in stunning detail with Apple's Vision Pro. The front of the iPhone 16 is nearly all display, still at 6.1 inches, with an OLED panel that's crisp and vibrant as ever. But there's a catch: it's still stuck at 60 Hz. No 120 Hz ProMotion here, unfortunately. Another cool feature is the all-new camera control button, which is new to the iPhone 16 lineup. When you're holding the phone horizontally, the button is right where you'd expect on a traditional camera, making it super intuitive to use. One press opens the camera, another press takes the shot. But it gets better. You can also swipe left or right on the camera control button to zoom in or out, or press it lightly to switch between different shooting modes and effects. It's positioned conveniently for easy access, whether you're snapping a quick selfie or filming a wide-angle landscape video. For instance, you could set it to prioritize certain controls, such as zoom or exposure, depending on your personal preferences or the type of photography you do most often. It's like having a mini DSLR at your fingertips. Now, let's take a closer look at the iPhone 16 Pro. This model is slightly larger than last year's, with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display. Apple managed to shrink the bezels even further, making the screen feel bigger without increasing the size of the phone. The 5x Tetra Prism zoom is now available on the iPhone 16 Pro, a feature previously exclusive to the Pro Max. This means you can get those incredible close-up shots with zero loss of detail, even on the smaller Pro model. Apple also upgraded the Pro's camera system with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a faster shutter speed on the main camera. Speaking of video, the iPhone 16 series supports 4K video at 120 frames per second. The cinematic slow-mo mode is a game-changer for videographers, offering some of the smoothest, most detailed slow-motion footage on a smartphone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's top-tier model, now with a massive 6.9-inch display. The zoom capabilities, camera performance, and that new camera control button make this phone a beast for photographers and videographers alike. The new Apple Intelligence features powered by the A18 Pro chip are also exciting. One standout is photo cleanup, which allows you to remove unwanted objects from your shots with just a tap or an erase gesture. It's super fast and intuitive. Overall, the iPhone 16 series brings some impressive upgrades, especially in the camera department. Whether it's the new camera control button, the spatial video capability, or the incredible zoom on the Pro models, Apple has really upped its game. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments which iPhone 16 feature you're most excited about.